Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to book multi-city flights on Google Flights. This is incredibly useful when you're planning a trip with multiple destinations, allowing you to see all your flight options in one search instead of booking separate one-way tickets. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to google.com/flights. This will take you directly to Google's flight search platform, where you can explore countless flight options and prices. Once you're on the Google Flights homepage, look towards the top of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu that typically says round trip by default. Go ahead and click on this drop-down. When it opens, you'll see several options including one-way, round trip, and multi-city. Click on multi-city to switch your search mode. This changes the entire layout to accommodate multiple destinations. Now you're ready to start planning your journey. In the first set of fields, you'll need to input your starting location and your first destination. For example, you could type Toronto in the departure field and London in the destination field. This sets up the first leg of your trip. Next, you'll see additional fields below where you can input more to and from locations. This is where the magic of multi-city booking really shines. You can plan a route that takes you from London to Paris, then Paris to Rome, or any combination of cities you want to visit. Each leg of your journey gets its own dedicated fields. If you need more than the default number of flights shown, simply click on Add Flight to add another leg to your journey. Google Flights allows you to add multiple segments, making it perfect for complex itineraries or extended trips across several countries. Here's something critical to remember. Don't forget to input a date for each flight segment. Every leg of your journey needs its own departure date. Click on each date field and select when you want to travel for that particular segment. This ensures you get accurate availability and pricing. Once you've entered all your locations and dates, it's time to see what's available. Click the search button and Google Flights will process your multi-city request. Give it a moment to load as it searches through thousands of flight combinations. The results page will now show you all available flights for your multi-city itinerary, complete with prices, airlines, and duration for each leg. You can compare different options and choose the one that best fits your schedule and budget. And that's it. You've successfully set up a multi-city search on Google Flights and can now explore all your travel options in one convenient place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.